Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Happy Tuesday to you guys today. Today we are having steak, baked potatoes, asparagus, and corn.
Sorry, go ahead.
Go ahead,
I know you were gonna say.
This is what we had for
Labor Day.
Labor Day. Okay? This is our Labor Day meal. You're just gonna get it the next day. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, oh man. So baked potatoes, and then I have some gravy that I made.
Could I eat the skin? No. I don't know.
This is not.
Damn.
This is not the cheese gravy. This is mine.
It's still the same.
It tastes just as good.
Still the same.
You gonna put more pepper in there already now?
Pepper and what? I'll put pepper on my steak.
In the sauce.
Put pepper on my steak, man. You.
These are ribeye steaks.
Ribeye steak there. Bussin', son. First lady made the best steaks. That's what first lady.
Oh shit.
You want my napkin?
Don't start nothing when being nothing.
Family.
Let's put some sour cream on me.
Alright. I want to eat all the skin.
I'm drinking a Corona, dog.
You still drinking Corona going around?
That's alright. I'm waiting for Publix to have their what it called?
Buy one, get one free?
Buy one, get one free. What's a beer? Red Stripe. Publix be having buy one, get one free. I buy 4 case.
This is.
You would think I'm a drinker and I'm not. I just like to have it in my bar.
Yep. First lady bar busting. Alright, let me give you some. I know y'all waiting. Hold on, family. If it's a steak too? Yes, I know. Okay. Open wide. There you go. There you go. Take some. I'm gonna hold it for a little bit, cause you know. All right. Here we go. Oh my God. You full?
What you guys? What?
You full?
No.
Okay. What y'all made?
For Labor Day.
First lady know how I like my steak, just like this. Oh yeah, 1 piece of the corn? Okay, sorry. Oh, you want the butter part? That's why you looking like that. You didn't want to say nothing because you want the part with the butter. Here you go. Take it then. That's what you want.
I had a good day off today.
Enjoy it? First, I had a good day off. And I'm gonna enjoy my day off.
Yep.
This sauce is good.
I hope you guys had a great day, weekend. I hope nobody give you guys a hard time.
Hope work was okay. I know.
Yep.
We all don't want to go, but we have to do it. You know what I'm saying?
That is true.
I know. Well, let me get some sour cream. Time. You even put it on my thing before you take it.
I know. We want it.
Any same place you put yours. All right.
Okay. I gotta watch this girl now. Here, Tania.
Mama. I said, I know y'all got to work, but I know we don't want to go about. Bills have to be paid.
Gotta go.
You gotta do what you gotta do, but you look at it like this. The main thing, you have a job. That's the main thing. You got a job, you know?
If you don't like your job and you're unhappy,
Yeah.
while you're working, look for other jobs. Okay? Okay? Life is too short not to be happy.
Real talk.
Look for other jobs.
It's a lot out there.
It's a lot out there. Okay?
What you want? It's true.
I feel like a job is always fun.
Yeah.
When
Until. What's up? Start your thing them.
You have that one manager or that one new supervisor or that one new employee that comes and just try to change everything and then
Don't know the ropes.
don't know the ropes and just disturb the flow.
Yeah.
And then everybody used to be excited to come to work. Now they're not.
Preach, First Lady.
It's the best feeling.
I know they have those issues too.
Yeah, it's the best feeling when you can go to work and you enjoy your coworkers and you enjoy the job, because it makes you want to go to work. It makes you want to do the job.
Yeah.
Right.
Real talk.
But when you're just not enjoying it, it's rough. And when you have people who are making your life miserable, it's rough.
Yep.
Rough.
But guess what? All jobs is like that.
Yeah.
They never see the good you do, but they will nitpick on the bad. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
They will congratulate you and say, "Oh, you did an awesome job today. We appreciate that." They would do that, but listen, they would do that when it benefit them. Okay, family? So, if you know you're a hard worker and you give them your all, and that little one time you make a one little simple error, a mistake or something, it all turns. But they don't remember the good, as I said before. You know what I'm saying? So, at the end of the day, you came there and saw that building built on a job, it's still gonna move on without you. Okay?
You ever notice that you're a good worker? Come to work on time, do your job respectful, and when you do your job, you do your job very well.
To the highest.
Yeah. But if you ask for a day off or leave early, it's a problem. And you say to yourself, what that?
Nobody wants my food over there. So.
And you say to yourself, I don't understand why you're giving me a hard time. When I come to work, I do my job.
Facts.
And such barely does his work or her work.
You gotta pull a load for them.
I gotta help her or help him because we gotta make our numbers, or we gotta finish what we gotta finish. But they asked for the day off and they got it, or they asked to leave early and they get to leave early. But when I ask, it's a problem. I'm gonna tell you why.
Tell them. Explain it to them.
Because they know that you're a good worker, that you're reliable, that you'll get the job done. The other person, they know that they're not reliable, they won't get the job done. So in their mind, they don't want you to go or take a day off because then they know the job won't get done. Excuse me. They don't care if the other person leaves because when they're there, they don't work anyway. So they don't care.
True.
That's why good workers it's always a battle to get a day off.
Yeah.
Or to leave early or something like that. Always.
It's true.
Oh.
Could you relate? If I could relate. You know what I'm saying? Relate. Because we want to know.
I remember I worked at this company before. And the company...
Why you taught the things you know. The event. First day eventing. Go ahead.
Can I napkin, honey?
I'm getting that. I'm getting you.
You did, I used to.
Yeah, okay.
And the company... was fine and everything like that.
Yeah.
We had a system. And companies would do this they would change system like once a year.
Yeah.
Once every 2 years. Not because it's beneficial to the employees, but because it's cheaper for the company. Okay?
Yeah.
So, they had this program. The program was working fine. If you wanted to do a refund, all you needed to do was one step. Boop, boop, boop. Maybe
Done.
2. Done.
Yeah.
So they decided to change the system to a choppier system. And now instead of it taking 1 or 2 steps to do a refund, now it's taking you 6 steps. Because you got to go to this screen, then that screen, process it, refund, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
But then they want you to do it in the same amount of time that it would have taken you to do a refund in 2 steps. They want you to do it in the same time that's going to take you to do it in 6 steps. Where that makes sense at?
Don't. No.
How does that make sense?
And then it doesn't make sense. Then you have to ask yourself, why did they change the old step when it was better and easier?
And easier. Because it wasn't cheaper for them.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, once you relate, you know what I'm saying? That's why most people don't want to go back to work. They rather stay home and have a stay-home job. You know what I'm saying? Less stress. No? But again, I'm a type of person, a stay-home job wouldn't work for me. I have to move around.
Yeah.
I interact with people. I can talk a lot. As y'all know that already. I saw you looking at the thing. I'm not even looking at it because I know what you did already. I talk a lot. I talk, and I'm like very friendly. I'm a type of person like this. I want people to learn the best way they can learn. You know what I'm saying? So, I know what I mean? If I'm working with somebody and I know they need help and they can't get the job done, I show them ways to get it done. Because that's me, I just like interacting with people. I'll talk all day.
All day, child, all
So,
day.
that's me, that's why I can't do a stay home.
Yeah.
So, what about you? You do stay home.
I could do,
You don't interact,
I could do any job.
Yeah, you could, but you rather the stay home thing, 'cause you don't like to react.
No.
I like check my work.
Stay-at-home jobs to me is more flexible.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's it. It's more flexible. Well, yo, we ain't cutting up. This food is good.
Excuse me.
So let me hear what y'all feedback is. You know what I mean? I know what y'all saying. It's all companies. Yeah, we know.
All companies.
All companies.
It's about saving money for them. And what I never understand is, if a company, why don't companies come to the employees and ask them questions?
Yes. Who been the
What do you think-
veterans? Yeah.
What do you think about this system? Do you think this is a good system for you guys? Do you think it would improve your work? Or it's gonna slow you guys down? They just come and say, "Oh, we're changing it," and you're like, the person who changed it.
Preach it, sister. Woo! Preach it. Preach it.
The person who has
Now you're hitting somebody on they toe. You mess with somebody cooking now, you know? Go on, talk. I like that.
the person who comes in never know what's going on and want to make all these changes.
Exactly. Yep.
Make no sense. How you gonna make changes and you've never worked in this department? You don't know what in the world is going on.
Yes.
But you want to come and make changes, and you say, "Oh, it's gonna be beneficial." How do you know it's gonna be beneficial? You don't work in this department. You know nothing about it. You don't know what we do over here.
Whatsoever.
Ask us, the employees. You know, do a test run on a new system.
Yes.
This is a system that we're gonna be using. We're gonna do a test run on it for a month. Let's see how many people like it, and we're gonna do a survey at the end of the month. Nah, they ain't doing that. They ain't doing that, but they should though.
What y'all think? I want to know. Let us know. You full? This is good.
But that's it today.
Yeah. You know, sometimes you just want to come and just vent and just ask some questions, you know? But
so these are things that goes on in everybody's life.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Everybody has gone through this.
Everybody.
And then,
yeah,
that's how you have good employees end up leaving a job.
Yes.
Because they're annoyed. Like, oh, come on. You come in here and you change everything. It's not fun anymore. It's nothing like going to a job that you love. Shit, that you like.
True. True.
Nothing like it.
Very true.
Yeah.
Very, very true. Oh.
Have you had a job that you liked at first and then you stopped liking it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
My last job.
Oh yeah, I remember. Yep.
I used to love it.
You used to love it. You used to love that job. That's true.
Making them good mucho dinero. I used to love it. But again, things happen.
What did they do? They came and changed things around?
Change everything. Before they try to protect the associates, they want to try to get the associate them fired. Trying to trick them and trying to set trap for them and
wow.
but you know that job was different. You know what I'm saying? I'm not calling no name, but I used to love it.
Yep. I can always tell when Richie don't like a job anymore. Because when he takes lunch, he calls me on his lunch. Before he eat lunch with his friends. When he stopped liking a job, you see him call me on lunch.
That's a lie.
I've
been from the time I know you, I call you every lunch.
No.
You know, since I have a job,
You call me on your break.
I call you my break. Yeah,
but
break.
not lunch. Break and lunch is two different things. A break is like 15 minutes. Your lunch.
No, lunch when I come outside, I talk to you all the time.
No, lunch, my love.
So I never used to call you on lunch when I used to be at a job?
But you started at the end. You started eating in the car.
I'm not talking about this job.
I know, even this job.
No, man, yeah.
You never call me on lunch. You only call me on your breaks.
Oh, I never used to come outside. It was break time. Yeah.
All right, that's what I'm saying.
Inside.
But what you trying to do? Call me a liar and in front of the people then?
No, it used to be. Yeah, I used to be stay inside.
Yeah.
At break time, all my breaks. Yeah. But lunch I don't come outside. Yeah, you're right. She right.
But. And this job, he still likes it. So don't get me wrong. But the other job, one day I asked him, I said, hey, what's wrong? And he was like, what do you mean? So you're calling me on your lunch break.
Yeah, it's true. You're right. I never used to call on my lunch break.
You've been calling me on your lunch break for the last couple of weeks. Is everything all right? What's wrong? He's like, everything's all right. I don't like this job no more. And I said, oh, okay, I figured that. So, he would just call me on his lunch break and I would just, be there for my boo. And that was that.
Gotta pay the bill.
Gotta pay the bills. Oh, God.
Gotta pay the bill.
Hey, remember you used to call me to go pick up my check?
That's the next story time. That's what we just met. That's the next story time, family. That's a story time I used to file the first lady every day in New York. That's what we're not going to tell that. So if you want to hear that story time, comment down story time. If you read this far, comment down story time.
It's so funny because
Might not get in the story.
From the day we met, it's just always been like that. Richie and I. If I say I'm gonna go to Walmart, well, not Walmart, because he don't call me to Walmart, because he stressed me out at Walmart. He be in a rush. But if I say, hey,
you go buy the whole store.
Yeah. But if I say, honey, I want to go to the mall, or if I want to go to the shoe store, are you coming? He's like, yeah, I'm coming. Or if he's going somewhere, he'd be like, you want to come? And I'm like, yeah, I'm coming. We're always going everywhere with each other. Even from day one.
I don't party without first lady, dog. If I'm going to a party, I'm first lady gotta come.
Who wants to about party?
No, I'm saying if I'm going to a party, you gotta come.
It's a long time you haven't been to a party, honey. You know someone on Dashway?
We're not going to party of Corona.
That's true.
But family, we appreciate y'all. I want to hear y'all feedback.
Please. Because we can't be the only one.
I know we're not the only one. You know what I'm saying? But this is delicious. Let me give y'all beautiful people the word. Family, silence doesn't mean the person quits. It simply means that one doesn't want to argue with people who just don't understand. You get that what I just said? I'm gonna say it again, okay? Listen, family. Silence doesn't mean the person quits. It simply means that one doesn't want to argue with people who just don't want to understand. Okay? Relate. Let me finish that right now. If you made it this far, I'm not leaving until I finish the First Lady food cart. Right now, I got First Lady. I tell her, she took more steak than me. There you go, anyway. And then I tell her, give me some more steak because you want to give me more steak.
I never see a person can lie so much in my life.
You never give me enough steak. I tell you, give me enough more steak. You didn't want to give me enough steak.
You know it's not a good trait to be a liar, right?
You talk too much sometimes.
You gonna take us out.
Oh, we appreciate y'all. Y'all think I forgot. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Come on, y'all. Share it. And if you're new, I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady. And when you come up to this channel, we talk about anything and we just interact with y'all, make y'all, have a good day. There you are, First Lady. No.
Piece of steak. You guys are the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang, of course. Bye.